Hey George, Trent Tate with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. First and foremost, thank you so very much for your recent interest in this beautiful 2022 Audi SQ7. This was a local trade here at our dealership, and it is in immaculate condition. What I'm gonna do here now, George, is turn this camera around to get you a little bit more information. And George, I know you can't be here to actually put your hands on this vehicle, so I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around of the product itself, just so you can see the condition. If I can find any blemishes on the product, I'll definitely point that out to make you in the know, which at first glance here, driver's side body looks great. Wheels don't show any signs of curb rash. Tires have great tread depth on them. And the SQ7 has got a great sound to it. It has that signature Audi growl to it. And this model is in really good shape. No blemishes on the back of the vehicle that I can see from the naked eye. Passenger side of the vehicle, body again, free of dents, dings, or blemishes that I can see here. Had a lot of rain here in Birmingham over the last couple of weeks, so it could need a bath, but we haven't had this one very long. Coming around to the front of the vehicle here, George, you could tell it was probably garage kept. I mean, you'll usually see little chips and whatnot on your bumpers, just microline there, but not seeing anything sticking out to me. You got that nice SQ7 big bold Audi grille there. Really good looking car. I think it really comes together when you go inside the cab of this vehicle. Beautiful red interior. You're gonna have a velour feeling insert here that really complements the sporty look with your carbon fiber appearance on your trim. They've done a great job with the tech in this vehicle. Everything's real crisp. The instrument cluster, you can pull up your full screen navigation if you would prefer. Of course, everything is gonna be hands-free. Window shades, backseat passengers there, and a good bit of room, man. I mean, I know I have two little girls myself. I don't know if you got car seats if you're toting kids, but even as a big man, I got that seat all the way back. I could fit back here without a problem. You will have rear AC vents back here. It looks like AC controls as well that you can have the back seat passengers control themselves. And actually also has third row seating in this model. There you go, George. I know you're inquiring on this vehicle all the way up in Maryland. That's not a problem. We ship from coast to coast here at Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. If you would like any additional information, please don't hesitate to contact me direct at 205-504-2358. That's my personal cell. You can reach me there by phone or text, and I can make you this personal guarantee, George. When you're dealing with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, expect excellence.